the number one mistake people make on social media is they do not synchronize their Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, website, YouTube colors. And same goes for banners, headers, you name it. So if on one platform, the layout, your logos, your graphics look certain way, it needs to look exactly the same on all platforms. So everything looks the same, just like having your logo. Your logo should be the same, same colors, same topography and all that stuff. So that's number one. Another thing, the most common thing, the mistake people make is different names. So for example, like on Facebook, your company name may be Steve's Painting Services. On YouTube it could be Steve Painter 11. On Twitter it could be Painting Services by Steve. So everything has to be synchronized. If your company name is Steve's Painting Services, then it needs to be Steve's Painting Services.